Hello friends, in the previous session we have discussed regarding what is gray code, why it is required, and how to implement or realization of gray code, and also the applications of gray code. So in this session we will try to discuss regarding binary to gray code. So if you don't know like what is gray code, it's a non-weighted form of code. So for in order to understand it in more detail, please watch my previous session so that it will be very clear from that. So please watch the entire session. So it is a trick, or you can say it is a method quickly to convert from binary code to gray code. So let us quickly start with the session. So please don't skip any particular part, so because it is very important for you to understand now. So what is binary gray code? So from, as I told you, there are two methods. Like one is from realization of or implementation of gray code, but for through that method it is very difficult actually. So in order to understand it, or in order to realize it in very simple way, this is the trick, we can say, or shortest method to find out the gray code of a particular binary code. Okay, so before converting binary code to gray code, okay, before converting the binary to gray code, please study the truth table of we have to study the truth table of this XOR gate. Okay, XOR gate is nothing but a binary addition, we can say. So it is basically a binary addition. So XOR gate is also called as a binary addition of a particular thing, particular digits. So this is input, so A and B are the inputs, and output is A XOR B. So A is so A B 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So we can say that XOR gate is nothing but the binary addition. So 0 0 means output will be 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. Why? Because we cannot say 1 plus 1 is 2 in case of binary representation. So we can say that 1 plus 1 is 0 in case of binary representation. Okay, so 0 plus 0, remember it in a very cool or simplest way. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, sum means sum is 0, carry is 1. In that way we can say. So but still, for you to understand it in a very simplest way, or in easy way to understand or remember, 1 plus 1 whenever it will come, so we can say that sum is 0. That means it is a binary addition, correct? So 1 plus 1 is 0, like that in binary. So whereas if you go in decimal, it will be 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so please try to make a difference. So if you know this now, if it is perfect, we can go for I hope we can go for the next step now. So how to quickly convert from binary to gray code? Somebody in most of the examinations or entrance examinations, they will be giving you binary code, find out the equivalent gray code. So it is very simple. Okay, so what you are in between problems, in some calculations, you will be required to calculate the gray code of a particular binary digit. So please watch this particular thing now. So this is binary number which is given to you, 1 0 0 1 0. This is the binary code which is given to you as an input now. Okay, so now you are asked to find what is the equivalent gray code number for this binary code. So how to calculate now? So if something binary is given, just make in this fashion, 1 0 0 1 0. So you write this sign, okay, XOR gate symbol, okay, plus plus plus, you can write it, and then you write this arrow mark. It will be easy for you to quickly convert binary to gray. Okay, otherwise what we can do is, there are another two methods. We can draw either a table, and then from each table you have to identify like what is the binary to gray code format. That is one method. Or you go for XOR gate and then give this particular as input. That is very time consuming, I would say. So the simplest way or the trickiest way is to do this, whatever I'm trying to explain you now. So if something is given, please write in this particular way. It is very easy for you to understand. Okay, once you write this, then it will never take even a minute or seconds it will take, okay, for you to calculate. So you represent in this way. Please, I am highlighting now. In this way you have to represent and draw the arrow mark like this after that, in order for you to write the particular gray in a convenient way. so only arrow mark, otherwise it is not necessary. So you write in this way. Why I am telling is it is easy for you, that is the only thing. Okay, the purpose, the intention is that one. So that's why I am telling, just write a addition symbol in between all the binary numbers which are given to you in this way. 1 0 in between, write addition symbol. 0 0 in between that, another addition symbol. In this way you write the addition symbol, and then write the arrow mark in this way from left to right, outward arrow mark. Then what you do is gray code, first write 1 as it is output. Now you have to get this value, right? So write 1 as it is here, whatever value. If it is 1, write 1. If it is 0, write 0 in that case. So now, because one number we cannot add, right? See, now we have to get some output here. So we cannot add something. Okay, so we are still here only. So from left we have to go to right. So if we, because arrow mark is like that. Okay, so 1, write 1 quickly. 0 means write 0. 1 means write 1. Okay, so now I hope it is clear now. Now go for, in order to get the next number, just do 1 plus 0 you have to do. Answer is 1. Next, 0 plus 0 you have to do. Answer is 0. 0 plus 1 you have to do. Means it is a binary addition, right? So your answer is 1. 0 plus 1, see, 0, 1, truth table. Answer is 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. Answer is 1. So in this way, there is nothing to remember truth table as well, because it is a binary addition as I told you. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. That is, this is the only thing which you have to highlight here. Okay, if you remember this, then definitely you can try to understand. So one, repeat it. So just binary you have to write it. So write the addition symbol in between each binary digit, then make arrow in this way. Right from left you have to start, because remember the arrow mark is right side. Okay, you have to start from left side itself, it will be convenient for you, correct? And it is in this way how to do. So one, you write 1. If it was 0, you could have wrote 0. Then you go, because why we are writing this, you just think that only one number is there, we cannot add only one number, correct? So 1 plus 0, 1. So in this way, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 0 plus 1, in this way you can write it and get the answer very quickly. This is the only simple way which I am telling, because time will be very important. So sometimes it is required to get the answer in a very quicker way, and it is also a trick which helps you to you will never forget this trick. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates, notifications. Please comment in the YouTube comment section. So like, share, subscribe. Okay, so please support or motivate. This motivates for me to post upcoming sessions or videos. Okay, yeah, take care. Thank you.